Okay, so it's been quite a while since I've posted a video on here. Getting back into the solar thing again. Just been, lazy. Not really feeling like doing anything. But, so I've been having a problem with this light I put in. 12 volt. Anytime I'd turn it on and then turn on another load in the system, even if it's a small one, it'd shut the light off and just glow dimly. So I found out I got a resistive wire in my circuit, so I gotta finish tracking it down, but as for the time being, I got it hooked up to my capacitor bank. Okay, so I thought I'd show you another video on a good example of why you should have a capacitor bank on your system, no matter what voltage. Of course, the higher voltage you got, the better, but especially when you're on 12 volt. Okay, I'll give you a good example here. I got a 10 amp. Hold on, let me get my light on. Oop. Sorry about that. Focus. There we go. 10 amp. Alright. And it's hooked up to my inverter. Just make sure you see there's the cable. And it's a 2000/4000 peak inverter, which this is a used inverter. I'd probably say it's more like 2000/3000. The starting circuit's kind of worn a little bit on it. At least it seems to be to me anyway. Alright, and you see the cables under here, positive, negative, they're running up into this main board here. Okay. Yes, it is a rat's nest in here, but it works really well. Alright, and the positive, if you can see that, here, let me follow it again for you. Okay, coming up, hitting that disconnect, and coming down and hitting the main positive. Okay, that large cable you see there going down to the bottom is coming up into my battery bank disconnect, down and running into battery bank. Alright, and then there's my disconnect. It is on, and that is what's disconnecting all these inverters on the wall from this cable running along the wall. Just to further verify again. And then capacitor bank. Alright, let me get on the other side of these wires. Okay, as you see there, positive, negative going in. Alright, negative goes directly to the negative bus, which in turn is connected to the battery bank. Right there. Alright, and then I'll show you the positive. The positive runs along here and into that breaker. It is an 80 amp breaker, 100 amp disconnect, as well 100 amp trip point. And then follow that up and over, and well, actually it goes down, excuse me, and it hits the positive bus bar. Alright, so I'm going to show you the amps. Okay, sorry, kind of having a hard time holding the door closed and the saw in my hand here. I'm going to show you the amps. Okay, capacitor amp gauge. Then it goes into charge mode. That's pretty close to damn near 100 amps. And it releases it quicker than the battery bank can, which helps the inverter. Well, I hope everybody had a good Happy New Year. Catch you guys later.